Here at Ace Garage Door, a lot of people know us for residential garage doors, but actually 40% of our business is commercial garage doors. We have 6 techs that do commercial garage doors every day. We offer sectional garage doors, insulated sectional garage doors, and these can come hurricane rated also, up to 200 mile an hour. This is our corrugated sheet door. We sell a lot of these. Last year we sold over $1 million worth of sheet doors. And also this is our full view aluminum glass door. This door here, we use this on a lot of restaurants. And also we have our slatted door, which this is our Cornell Cooksin Rolling steel door, where the slats can actually be changed out compared to the sheeted door where if it gets hit, you have to buy a whole new door. Here at Ace Garage Door, we do a good bit of commercial doors, and we would love to have your business.